Welcome to Mambo software. This video is for showing bank account list, creating new bank accounts, editing bank information and cloning bank account information. Click on banking, then scroll down to bank account list, then click on it to view the bank account list. New bank account. Select account type, key in account number, key in the account, fill in the description, key in the opening balance, check the landlord box and then select the landlord and then click on save. Editing bank information. Select an item, click on edit and then make the necessary changes. Cloning bank. Click on an item, then click clone button and then make the necessary changes, then click save button. Bank information. Thank you for watching.